What will your parents say if you brought home a date that's older than them? If your boyfriend was the same age as your dad, would you still call him baby? Are you single or do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a husband?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
Actually, single since birth.
Oh my god, and you're 30 years old.
Yes.
Do you think people would tease you if your partner was older than your parents? Let's say your daughter brought her date home and then you found out that he is older than you. You're 44, right? What would you say? Can you please tell us your name and age?
I'm Crystal, 30 years old.
You're so beautiful. And just 30 years old. I couldn't tell that you're 30. I thought you were like 27, like that, or younger. But anyway, how are you tonight, ma'am, Crystal?
I'm good. I just came from the yoga class.
I
Yeah.
could tell.
Yeah, and I feel relaxed right now.
So, okay, that's good to hear. So here's the question, Ma'am Crystal. What will your parents say if you brought home a date that's older than them?
Oh, I think actually it's only my mom who's right now. So I think she will question why. Oh, why I have a date who is older than her, because she's 65, turning 65. So I think it's not it will not be okay for her if it's older than her, because I think my mom wants me to have a partner who I can spend the rest of my life with, like that. So if it's older than her, maybe she's afraid. Yeah, afraid that it might, it might like gone too soon, like that.
So she's going to question you why. What would you say?
Um Actually, I don't know right now, but maybe I will say that I'm interested with that guy, right? That's why I agreed to date with him, because if we say date, it's not necessarily mean that you are together, right? So maybe I just want to know him more, yeah, more know him better.
Okay, let's say, ma'am, if your boyfriend was the same age as your mother, would you still call him baby?
You know, I still believe that love is, it doesn't matter about the age, right? So maybe if that's our endearment, yeah, maybe I can still call him baby.
I love that. Okay, what's the difference between dating for love and dating for security?
mm, well, for me, for my personal opinion, dating for love and dating for security, I think there's a huge difference with that, because dating for love, it means that you love that person and you choose to commit with him, that to spend the rest of your life with him. While love for security, I think um I don't call it love maybe, because um it's like you should love unconditionally, but if it's love because for security, for your own self, I think you are just doing it for selfishness, like that.
If your parents or if your mother married someone younger than you, how would you feel?
I it feel awkward, right? Yeah, I said earlier that age doesn't matter, but if it's younger than me, I don't think if it suits well with my mom, because still age, it will know the maturity of the guy, if how he thinks, how he lives, like that. So if it's younger than me, I don't think that he really loves my mom seriously. Maybe he just loves him, or he is just doing it for his security, like that.
I'm curious. What if the first question earlier I asked you, if you brought home someone who is older than your parents, like your mom, do you think your mother will think the same way, like what you're thinking right now, that you would think that he's only after your mother's money? Do you think your mother will also think that you're after his money since he is older than her?
I think so. I think my mom will think that way because my mom knows me really well, and maybe she doesn't expect that I will fall in love with someone who is really older than me or older than her. So maybe she will think it that way at first, maybe.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your honesty. Okay, for the last question, do you think people would tease you if your partner was older than your parents?
Maybe yes. Right now in our generation or in our society, it's really common that people will tease you or tease me if I have a partner who's really older than me. Maybe they will, like what my mom will think at first. Maybe they will also think that way. That's while I am in a relationship or dating someone who's older than me, maybe they will tease me like, oh, you're doing that just for, just for security or for money, like that. Maybe.
Is that really common here in the Philippines to judge, someone's relationship based on the age gap?
Maybe because of social media, because you always see that, and they are do you know you they show it, or they post it in social media for memes like that, or making it as a joke. So maybe it influences me or other people, especially here in the Philippines, because we judge it like that, but we are not judging it seriously, like judging the person that she's bad, like that. But it's just our first impression, like that. But after that, it's like maybe they really love each other, like that. So we will it's just a first thought if we see that kind of relationship.
Okay, you're 30 years old. That means you're working, right, ma'am?
Yes,
Let me know what's your job if it's okay.
I'm an engineer.
Wow. How long have you been working as an engineer?
I'm working for 7 years already. Yeah.
How was it?
Roller coaster like that. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's really stressful. Yeah.
But you love your job, right?
Yes, I'm choosing to love my job.
Choosing to. Okay. How about this one, mom? Are you single or do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a husband?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
Actually, single since birth.
Oh my God. And you're 30 years old.
Yes.
May I know why?
Um, I'm single maybe by choice, or um I do believe in God's perfect timing. So I'm really entrusting God about the season of my life. So maybe He wants me to be in this season right now, to be a season in singleness, to really enjoy myself first, to improve myself more, so that my future partner will, maybe he is praying for that kind of woman. So I'm making myself like that.
Oh my God, I'm having goosebumps. Oh my God. How old do you think you see yourself having a family? Like, settling down like that.
Actually, my desire is to settle down at the age of 31.
So next year.
Yes, God willing, next year. Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
perfect plan.
31. If you look like someone that would be a very good wife and a very good mother. And she's also smart and she has a very good beautiful job, engineering. Wow. But have you ever had a like suitor or something?
Yes, I have. I do have.
It doesn't click, right?
Yeah, we are, our mindset doesn't match, our values doesn't match. So I really value, I have that negotiables and non-negotiables. So sometimes my non-negotiables, they doesn't fit that criteria or yeah, or my standards. So I do not want to lower my standards to um just to have someone like that. So I'm really honoring my desire, or my heart's desire, because I don't want to spend the rest of my life with someone that I really not into.
I love that. I really love that. Last question, promise. Last question, ma'am. What are you looking for in a guy?
First, maybe it's really obvious that I want someone who is a mature Christian guy, a mature Christian man. So I really want a man who will also lead me to Christ, to lead our family to Christian life, because I believe that a man is the one who will lead the family, not the woman. So I want someone who can lead our family, especially in our spiritual life, and also a family oriented man, because I'm really family oriented. So I have a desire that the man that I am going to marry someday would really value the family, and also maybe just a desire that he is taller than me, like that, a physical, yeah. It's, but it's negotiable, the physical one. So yeah, that.
You would date a foreigner, right?
If it's God's will, maybe yes.
May we know what's your name and age?
My name is Franz. I'm 18 years old.
Very unique name. How are you tonight?
I'm good.
I love your smile, Be. Okay, so here's the question. What will your parents say if you brought home a date that's older than them?
I think my dad will kill me because he's so strict, like super strict.
Very strict.
Yeah.
Okay. How old is your dad?
I think, oh my God, 45?
45.
46, I think. 45, 46.
If your boyfriend was the same age as your dad, would you still call him baby?
I don't know. I think I'll call him daddy.
Daddy?
I'm just kidding.
You will call him the same with your dad
No.
for real.
I don't know. I think it's cringe for me. So cringe to call him daddy. I mean baby.
So what are you gonna call him then?
I think Beb.
Beb. I sometimes I Beb. That's it.
Beb.
Okay. Like a Filipino way how to say babe.
Mm.
Beb. Do you think people would tease you if your partner was older than your parents?
They'll tease me. I think no. If they really know that is real love, they don't.
They wouldn't.
They wouldn't tease me.
What if they don't know you personally? Do you think they will tease you or they will judge you?
I think yes, because a lot of Filipinos were judgmental. Yeah.
Okay. Be you're 18, still studying. What's your course?
BS Civil Engineering.
Civil engineering. Single or are you in a relationship?
Secret.
Can you please tell us your name and age?
I'm Janna and I'm 18 years old.
How are you tonight, Jana?
I'm good.
I love your hat.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So here's the question, Jana. What will your parents say if you brought home a date that's older than them?
Um, I think my parents will be shocked, like 100%. They will be shocked if I brought someone that's older, like 60 years old.
May we know how old is your parent?
54.
54.
Yeah.
Both 54?
No, my mother is 50, around 50.
Our parents. Okay. Now, if your boyfriend was the same age as your dad, would you still call him baby?
No, no. Like other call sign, like babe or something, just a baby.
Babe.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think people would tease you if your partner was older than your parents?
Yeah. Yes.
What do you think they will say to you?
I feel like they will say that I dated that guy for like because of his money, like that. Since here in the Philippines, if you dated someone that's way older than you, let's say 6 years old and I'm 18, that they will say that I yung habol ko lang sa kanila is money, like that.
You're only after his money.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. You're 18 years old, still studying. May we know what's your course, be?
Civil engineering po.
Ma'am, what is your name and age po?
Hi, Lynn, 44 years old.
How are you, Ma'am Lynn?
Good.
Okay. So here's the question, Ma'am Lynn. Let's say your daughter brought her date, okay, brought her date home, and then you found out that he is older than you. You're 44, right? What would you say?
It's okay. Kasi kasi yung yung love naman, wala naman yun sa age eh.
Oh, So Mom Lynn says it's okay because love is not, you know, age doesn't matter like that. Okay. Yeah, love does it's fine whether he's older, it's fine. Mommy, you're single mom or you're married mom?
Mom,
You're single mom. Okay. How long have you been single mom?
5 years po.
5 years. Okay. How many kids do you have, mom?
Only one.
Are you looking for love, mom?
No.
No, we have so many single single subscribers. No? No. Well, anyway, thank you so much, Mom. We really appreciate your time. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.